Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevator to 14 S Company from Home Sector. This is going to be the elevator at the Holiday Inn Express Hotel, Fort Walton Beach, Florida. East side, no, west side. Ooh, Kone. EcoSpace KSS 570. One's on power save mode on 4. We're going to get the one on the right. I'm going to talk over this music. Don't hear any voice. 105, 988. We're at 4. I love how EcoSpace decelerates. No voice here, but there's music. I'm gonna have to talk over it. I really like this place already. Oh, they have elevators too. Ooh, I didn't know Kone did this. Here's the control panel right here on the side. Yeah, I did this. Okay, so that's my 70 button. Let's watch it appear on power save mode. I'm gonna done 3. There it goes. Oh. We're up to 1. This one is 105, 971. Very nice cab. Holiday Inns are really nice when it comes to elevator cabs. KSS 570 fixtures. Here's your indicator. Certificate. Oh, this classic leveling. I want to demonstrate that. Sorry. Which one's the button go out this time? That's proof that Kone installs them in 2 ways. How we go.